everyone, welcome to my channel Magic of Colors. This is Soumya. So in today's video I'm going to shade Rocky Bhai's face using single charcoal pencil. Here I'm using Camlin charcoal pencil. This will cost you only 100 rupees for 3 pencils, and you will not get any shade in this pencils. You will get only soft, medium and hard pencils. I'm using soft pencil here, and all the 3 pencils will give you same darkness. The advantage of charcoal pencils are they are rich, matte and black finishing, but it is dusty when compared to graphite. Graphite pencils are less dusty, but they are more reflective. The advantage of charcoal pencils are they can be easily erased when compared to graphite pencils. I am not using any tissue or blending stumps here as I used in graphite pencil work. I am using only charcoal powder and makeup brush to blend or to give a shade for this portrait. Draw the directions of the hairs first for both beard and hairs, then apply charcoal powder to give light shade. And then apply the strokes of the hairs. Any charcoal powder, but instead of dirt I just scratched the charcoal pencils on the sandpaper, so I get charcoal powder very easily. Then for highlights, use Tombow mono erasers. don't forget to draw the reflection of the eyes in the eyeball. Here I am using white gel pen for that, and then blend them with the brush. It's ready. If you like this video, please hit a like button, and if you are watching for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.